Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you more dies that I've been working through. And so this one I was able to make this card out of. I just used one of the sentiments I'm going to show you today. It says eat lots of cake. And then I worked with this flower die that I really like. And so let me get into sharing those dies with you. But here's the card that I ended up making. So the sentiment die I used was, like I said, eat lots of cake. And it is from Hot Off the Press. I also got their Shine Bright. And this is from Hot Off the Press, but I didn't get a chance to use the Shine Bright yet. You can see how it kind of cuts out the shine and the bright. So I'm going to still leave this die out because I do want to use this Shine Bright before I put it and add it to my stash. But the Let's Eat Lots of Cake, I like that die, how it comes out. And then the other, for the flowers, I use this Linda Canase, I don't know, eye crafter. It's called Cherry Blossom Bursts. And this is the die. So lots of layering you can do with this die. And that's what I did with these pieces. So I cut them in white. I cut them in this pink and this purple. And then the centers in this orange. And only some of them I've added more layers than others. But yeah, is that not a fun little die? It totally reminds me of Hawaii. And one of my girlfriends was like, oh, you could probably make a lei on a card with it. It looks like a lei type of flower. So yeah, maybe I might try that. But it is it's a good die. I'm not sure. I think I got this from the expo. So I'm not sure if it's still around or available. But yeah, so this is the die I used. So I only used some of the flowers on the card like you see here. And then I did add some little gemmy centers to them just to give them a little more pizzazz. But yeah, so that's my card share for today. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!